Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Bedford Bassin. Today we headed out to Big Creek, just right up the road from the house, a couple miles. Me and my dad finally got a chance to go fishing together. It's been a long time since we were able to do that. Just our schedules never lined up. We got private access to this stretch of the river. There's not many boat ramps right here close to the house to get into the water right there. So head up to a pretty cool area, kind of like a little waterfall, weird thing, whatever you want to call it. Water was actually running over, but the fish weren't cooped up there like we thought they were going to be. So you guys will see in the video where we caught our fish at and what we were using. Please make sure though, if you haven't already, to like and subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you guys for watching. Need an anchor.
Huh?
I need an anchor. Because the water's just going to push us.
Now it works.
Yeah, it's working. It was just backwards. Because when I was pushing the pedal, it was pushing us backwards.
A while ago?
Yeah, like when I turned it forward, it was pushing us this way.
Oh.
That'd be good for the catfish right here.
Huh?
Maybe because it's not clear water running in.
How many pounds is there?
I think 12.
I'm thinking that could be a weight now. What done they wake up?
God. God. He hit it so hard. God.
Look at how wide this is here.
From the muddy water. I think it's a little spotted bass.
Why they do like that?
No, I think this is like a different, hold on, I'll show you.
I'm like, what for? You look it up in the top.
Oh, it had the front hook, but it came off.
Oh.
God, he hit it like crazy though.
Huh?
Hit it like crazy.
You pull it good?
Yeah, this is a spotted bass. Feel the tongue. It's a spotted bass. It's got the little lines. God, he hit it hard. I thought it was bigger.
I know.
This is like the only river right here.
Huh?
Oh shit! This is the only river right here besides over there, the Washita and Monroe, that you can catch those.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I never caught them in Bedford River.
No?
I just think because this one's deeper and like more sandy and stuff.
Yeah.
They kind of like the deeper water a little bit more. God, he hit it hard.
You can catch your friend. Huh?
Poison ivy. It was weird. He was like, I casted back there and he hit it kind of out a little bit further from the bank.
Coming their way.
Yeah. Got him? Big one? Oh, that's a good one, Daddy.
Oh.
Yeah. Hold on, wait. Don't pick him up, wait.
What?
God. I thought you were going to try to flip it in with the line. Like, I was like, oh, you're going to break the rod.
Gonna what?
Because you don't have enough line out. If you would have tried to flip it, it probably would have broke the tip of the rod.
Oh, when it was very close.
Yeah.
I've been in Florida for a lot of days.
There's one.
You did?
Yep. God. Oh, he got wrapped up in the line.
That's another one.
Oh, God. It's a good one. I wonder why they're like,
Huh?
I guess they're just spread out. I guess. God, he's thick.
You say what?
Like why they're not, dang, I'm scared to get him. I need to get my pliers out, I think.
You got a plug?
Yeah, I do. Will you hold that like right there?
This?
Yeah, it's 3 right there.
And it's a nice size.
That's a good one.
Yeah?
So that is a good one.
Yeah. You feel that?
They fight hard in here.
Huh?
They fight hard.
The one thing about that one, they hook it everywhere. Yeah.
This is the first ditch that we found that had water running though. Them other ones
The one was
didn't have nothing.
So that's gotta be big hook. From a long ways in the field.
So I was thinking coming out from a field somewhere probably.
Yeah. I know it's called looking American.
This is the same river that runs over there where they be going catfishing
Yeah.
under the bridge. That's
Right.
where, yeah.
A lot of good fish. All kind of fish.
If we would have went the other, God.
Miss it.
Yeah, as soon as it hit the water. If we would go down, we would run down there. If we went that way, we just have to go a long ways. We would make it down to the bridge down there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Among us.
Wait, no. Yeah, yeah, we would.
Yeah.
I think so because I don't think there's another weir until you get to Baskin. Maybe there may be another weir that's blocking. But the guy told me yesterday, he's like, you got 12 miles. You can. Oh God, big one. What is it? God, a big goo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. God, it's a big one.
Break the line. Where's the net?
I don't have one.
No, what's up with the chicken?
He's giving you a shower. Gosh, I don't think it was a bass because the way he was sitting.
Pulling hard like that, man.
You think you can get him with the pliers, or should I try to put him in the boat?
Where's the plug?
Oh, there we go. Easy release.
Yeah.
I don't. That,
Was pulling hard there.
yeah, I was like, damn. I was like, I don't. It's like if that's a bass, that's a big one. But he was fighting weird. Gosh. I saw that one, whatever it just was that I missed, because that one hit way out here. I cast it right up there, like right where the water's running over the dirt. Something hit it hard.
There's a lot of dead fish there.
Try to see if you can throw it way up there on the almost on the bank.
Well, I don't know if I can.
And you can see the bottom good right there. Look. You see it? Right here, the bottom. It looks like it's gonna be shallow up here. It looks like it's gonna be shallow. Still should be fish up here though. Still should be some fish. Oh shoot. I just need to get right up there is all I need to do. Right there on the side's all I need to get. I just need to get right there. I think once we get up here, it'll get deeper again. Hey, I thought they would be right here. Ain't nothing. There's one. We got one. that a catfish? I thought I had a catfish. Look how dark he is. You gotta have the front hook. The front hook first. Hopefully there's some more up there. And that one's dark and beat up. Look at his tail. I don't know. Thought there'd be more up here. Thought there'd be more. The water running like this. Got a little crankbait up here.
You get it right there?
No, he was over there. Another spotted bass. Huh? Oh, calm down, calm down, calm down. Another spotted one. Another little spotted bass. Pretty looking. It must be green because of rocks up here. Like the stuff that's on the rocks. Hit a big one. There's another one. Oh! You see how little he was? God, he was little. My fish keep getting smaller and smaller. All right. See if there's more fishy here. Maybe there'll be more here than there was over there. He just feels hotter right here though.
Yeah.
Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Gotta be some still right here. There he is. Good one.
Already?
Yep, good one. Oh no, he's little. He just threw one of the, I guess he was hooked funny. Another little spotted bass. Oh gosh, that could have been bad. I'm glad that didn't go on my finger. Calm down a little bit. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go. Got a nice little spotted bass. Ton of those little guys in here. It's not the ones we want, but we'll take it. It's like 3 casts, I think, Daddy. 3 casts right here.
The third one?
Yeah, I think so. They're just letting it hit the bottom, and he got it. Oh, God. God. I didn't know I had him. I never felt him bite. It just felt like it had a leaf stuck on it. And I was just thinking, I was like, dang, do I need to change color? Or... It just, I never felt him bite it. There he is. Oh, gosh, what is that? It's gonna break my line. It's gonna break my line. Oh my gosh, a good one. God, I'm gonna have to retie my line. That's a big one. God, he was right there on the stick. Oh my God, that's a big one. Yeah, I'm trying to. God. My camera recording? Yeah, it's recording finally. God. Making sure my camera was. Oh gosh. Sorry, Daddy.
You get in the side?
He got it in the mouth first.
Oh,
God.
got in the side.
I thought it was hung up because it was he had me right on the lawn.
Yeah.
God. It's another good one.
Damn, look, oh, something bit it, look.
My tail.
Yeah.
I have to put you on something else. Take another picture for me, Daddy. I am wrapped around that log right there. Thought I was hung up for a second. I didn't even know if it was a bass at first. I thought maybe it was a gar. Pretty fair. It's the second one messed up with the tail like that, though. That's the second one that has the tail missing like that. Maybe so. Gosh. That was fun.
That was good.
Olive oil? Yeah.
But to make it taste good, the stuff. It's good para la sal de. ¿Cómo se llama? Cebolla. ¿Aceite de olivo, cómo se llama este?
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
You got him? Oh, that's a good one. That's a catfish.
What?
The heck? I thought I had a catfish when we were over there by the rocks. I seen it swim.
Take a picture. Good. Good. No vamos a pegar ahí. Damn. Pícalo si quieres o no. Yo no tengo igual que you hand to if you don't.
Pretty one.
Yeah. Bueno para el caldo. Yeah, nothing like
We got largemouth bass, a spotted bass, a goo, and a catfish. What else we need now? A gar? There's one. A little one. A little one. Another little spot. These don't get as big as the other ones. Look at this. He's fat. Whoa. Huh? That was a trolling motor.
You won't hit it. No, no, it's from the water.
Yeah.
It's from the motor. From the water. The hell from the water.
Yeah. These ones jump a lot more.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like the...
I thought it was one that's more like this. You know, the fish.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
He smells like crawfish. Oh, that's one. Like he smells like crawfish. He's got a craw. I don't know if you can see in the...
What?
Got the little antenna down there. You see it? In the back of his throat. See it?
Oh, wait. Ay, hijo de la chingada.
The little antenna.
Sí, sí, la vi,
Yeah.
sí.
I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, I see it.
He smells like Crawfish. Craig, can I got him? Oh, a little bit, yeah. Mainly,
Little bit. I bet you think I think
probably the same one.
Huh?
Probably the same one. Biting the crankbait's good.
Yeah. Look at it. Nice.
You wanna let it go?
Yeah.
That's a largemouth.
Okay.
Can you tell the difference or no?
No.
The color and the
color?
other one got like lines down here.
Yeah, it is different, the color, but it wasn't me. I'll be saying, hey, it wasn't bad. That's all I know.
He hit it hard?
Yeah, it did.
Here's a bridge right there that we saw.
Yeah, the one on the side.
I'm glad they were biting. It would have sucked to do all this and they wouldn't even been biting. I said I'm glad the fish are biting because it would have sucked to come all the way out here and then. Probably the best day I've had this year so far.
See?
Yeah. My last couple trips has been horrible. I ain't caught hardly anything.
No?
Uh-uh.